The Today Show's Al Roker.
Hi everybody, here's today's forecast for the Universal Backlot. It's going to be sunny and dry in 6 Points, Texas. Cool and cloudy in Little Europe. Expect snow and sleet on New York Street. And we've got a high chance of fog and precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Isla Nublar. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the lot.
Al's calling for a flash flood warning. It has started raining. But everyone, please do not forget, we are in Hollywood. We create the weather here. That rain is not coming from the skies. It's coming from an overhead sprinkler system out there on top of those wood poles. Just how we create rain for the movies. Like I said, we do create it. We control it. Don't worry about that flash flood warning. And weather guys, thank you for your demonstration, but you can shut the rain off now. Hello, can you hear me? This is Tour Guide Joe. I said you can shut the rain off.